Mr. Prospect, the outcome of today's analysis is that there is a shortage of cash amounting to $890,400 that is needed to support the pillars. This shortage of cash exists even before we met up today. As a professional financial planner, my job is to bring all these details to your attention. Are you comfortable with how we arrived at this figure? Do you know of means where you or your family could find some additional funds to support these pillars? Your siblings? We will try our best. Your parents? We're too old. Your friends? We only have enough for ourselves. Welfare organizations? Forget about it. Have we overlooked anything else? What are you most concerned with if you die suddenly? What would be the impact of this huge capital shortage of $890,400 to your family? What I see now is that this capital shortage will cause the house to collapse. Do you agree with me, Mr. Prospect? When it collapses, your widow has to worry about making ends meet, while also living in fear of the uncertainties of tomorrow. What alternatives do you have to ensure that your family will have enough money to maintain their present standard of living? If there is a bank that is willing to guarantee $890,400 to your family in the event that you are not around, Mr. Prospect, would you be interested to know more about this bank? In your opinion, what amount would the bank ask you to pay for this guarantee up front? $890,400, right? My question now is, can you afford to pay the bank $890,400 right now? Mr. Prospect, I am here to offer you a solution to your problem. I can transfer your risk to AIA. We have been operating in Malaysia since 1948, and you can certainly trust us for life. AIA is a financial giant with assets worth over $20 billion, and we want to guarantee your family with $890,400 that it needs. The moment you walk out, AIA will walk in with that check for $890,400 for your family. I can create this account for your family immediately with a savings and investment plan of only $1,000 per month. With AIA, you don't need to save $890,400, which you can't and won't be able to. Even if you can, why have all the money stuck with the bank? By saving just $1,000 a month with AIA, you can then enjoy the rest of your hard-earned money. Do you know of any other bank like this that exists elsewhere? To determine a solution, how much can you comfortably set aside on a monthly basis to meet your family's needs? The only requirement by AIA to offer you this benefit is that you undergo a medical checkup to meet our qualification criteria. Would you like me to make the necessary arrangements for your medical examination for you? In order to serve you better, I need to know how much you can save per month to provide these benefits. Here's what I would like to do. Number 1, show you what we can do based on your situation right now. Or, number 2, review the facts and get back to you in a few days with some recommendations. Mr. Prospect, in your opinion, do you believe that this policy is the right thing for you and your family? In all your life, have you ever been sorry for doing the right thing? Then why don't we go ahead with this right now, okay?